This is my go-to salad here. I have lettuce, arugula, chopped up cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, one whole avocado in the bowl here. And this is Bill. He doesn't like tomatoes or anything like that. What I did, I washed the lettuce and everything in this container there. I have some tomatoes here on the counter. And I think today I'm gonna go ahead and use some blue cheese dressing. I usually just make up my own with olive oil and salt, lemon, and pepper. But today I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the blue cheese dressing. Subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.